We live in a world that worships motion. The faster you move, the more valuable you appear. Every second is tracked, optimized, and measured. Even rest has become something we try to schedule. But what if the greatest act of progress isn't to do more, but to stop, to sit, breathe, and let life unfold without resistance? Doing nothing isn't laziness, it's maintenance. It's the art of remembering that rest is not the opposite of productivity. It's the foundation of it. Today, we'll explore why stillness is not wasted time, but time well spent. Section 1. The illusion of constant motion. Modern life confuses movement with meaning. We scroll, refresh, multitask, mistaking activity for progress. Our brains have been trained to equate stillness with failure, to fill every quiet moment with noise. But psychology shows that constant stimulation burns out the brain's capacity to focus. Your attention becomes fragmented, your creativity dulls, and your sense of direction fades. The Stoics saw this too. They believed busyness was often avoidance, a way to escape the discomfort of being alone with one's own thoughts. True growth, they taught, begins not in motion, but in awareness. Section 2. The mind's reset button. When you stop doing, your brain starts healing. Neuroscientists call it the default mode network, a system that activates when you're at rest. It's during these quiet moments that your mind processes experiences, connects ideas, and restores balance. That's why your best insights come in the shower, on a walk, or staring out the window. Stillness is your mind's maintenance mode, a quiet reboot. Without it, your thoughts pile up like unprocessed files. Doing nothing gives your mind the space to organize the noise. It's not a pause from growth, it is growth. Section 3. The Stoic view of stillness. To the Stoics, stillness wasn't idleness, it was mastery. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter retreat than in his own soul." Stillness is the ability to stay centered while the world spins around you. It's deliberate inaction, a form of inner discipline. Seneca called it the space between impulse and choice. It's where you stop reacting and start perceiving. In that silence, you don't lose control. You regain it. You begin to act from clarity, not chaos. Stillness, then, isn't weakness. It's control in its purest form. Section 4. The paradox of doing nothing. We resist stillness because we confuse it with emptiness. We measure our worth by how much we produce, forgetting that every creation begins in quiet. Every artist, philosopher, and innovator found their greatest insights not in motion, but in pause. Einstein called it combinatory play, the ability of the mind to wander freely. The Stoics called it contemplation, the art of stepping back to see clearly. Doing nothing is not abandoning life, it's listening to it. You can't pour from a full mind. You must empty it first. Section 5. How to practice stillness. Stillness doesn't require mountains or monasteries. It begins in moments. Sit without your phone for 5 minutes a day. Take walks with no destination. Drink your morning coffee without multitasking. End each day with 1 minute of silence. No scrolling, no distractions, just breathing. These are not escapes from life. They are returns to it. Stillness reveals what speed hides. And when you slow down, life becomes visible again. The world will always tell you to move faster, to do more, earn more, post more, become more. But the Stoics knew you cannot be present while you're sprinting through your own life. True strength isn't in endless motion, but in the calm awareness beneath it. Doing nothing isn't the absence of growth, it's where growth begins. So slow down, breathe, and remember, see clearly, live wisely, and rest deeply.